Hi everyone, it's Luis again. Listen, today I'm making a video on something called Miltonia Scorch. Miltonia Scorch is a kind of infection that affects Meltoniopsis specifically. Now, I did make a video a while back called Bacterial Infections on Orchids, and that one gives you a little bit more detail on what it looks like in other orchids like Paphiopedilums and Pragmapediums. Now in this video I'm basically going to concentrate on Meltoniopsis orchids. So here I have an example of a very healthy Meltoniopsis. All the pseudobulbs are nice and plump, and they're very healthy. They have a nice clear light green color. They're very healthy, and these orchids were the ones that I used for our plant cell, or our Fiesta orchid cell. So you see how these pseudobulbs are very, very healthy, and the plant itself is amazing. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th bloom spike coming up right here. So this is a very healthy orchid, so there's nothing wrong with it. Now the other one that I'm going to show you is this one. This orchid, as you can see, looks kind of sad. It looks down. It has yellowing leaves, and I will show you a close-up of what the leaves look like. Right here, that's what a leaf looks like, and it has that typical yellowing right here, right above the brown. And they typically snap off right here, because this right here is where it joins the part of the leaf that is connected to the pseudobulb. So once you start seeing leaf drop like this, and right here, the typical rust colored or orange colored pseudobulbs, these pseudobulbs tells you, since they're bright red orange, that tells you that it is infected with a bacterial infection. So this is contagious. So it's being passed on from one pseudobulb to the other pseudobulb, and in this case also to this pseudobulb. So if you notice, the bloom spikes themselves, the buds have blasted on it. So this is not a good thing. Also, the bloom spike, the buds on this one in particular, these are blasted, so you don't have any flowers here. On this one, the same, you don't have anything. And this one is doing the same. You have 2 that are dead and 3 that are holding on. This one over here they're all dead, they're all blasted. So what is the treatment for something like this? Whenever you have Miltonia Scorch on your orchids, then you need to treat it with a bactericide. Now, the bactericide that I've used in the past is Phyton 27. Now, you could use whatever bactericide that you prefer. I just happen to know of that one, and that's the one that I used on both my Paphiopedilums and my Pragmapediums, and they're doing a lot better. So what you need to, if you're going to choose something different What I recommend is that you use something that is copper based. So this copper seems to kill the infection. So that's my video. I hope you like it, and I hope happy growing, you have healthy orchids, and if you have infections like this, you know how to treat them. So you need to drench it with a solution with copper in it. Thanks for watching.